So today I am taking you inside the big greenhouse as spring is starting in Texas, show you how our trees and plantations are doing in there. Tag along. So walking into the greenhouse. So the stove is off, no longer needed, it's 80 outside and it doesn't get that cold during the night. So here we always block the entry not to have the chickens come in. Because otherwise they'll be ruining everything very quick. So what do we have in here? Some grape, aloe vera. We have some, I believe these are avocado trees. But look at the citruses. I think the first ones are oranges, but they are all blooming, all the citrus trees. So the bananas here did okay in the greenhouse. Some got a bit cold, but otherwise not bad. So that's another orange, doing really good. Look at these. They are doing beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So of course we got the peppers. So my husband's favorite, very, very hot. The worst hot that you can imagine peppers. And whew, they doubled in size. I don't know how much pepper we're gonna get, but it's just, I can only eat that much myself. But yeah, here we got pineapple growing, grapefruit. Look at that grapefruit. Nice, nice, nice. Some citronella, aloe, some tomatoes that need to be planted here. Here all the seeds we started, I mean not all, some. Kale, zucchini, peas, pumpkin and more. Mayor lemon. Looking good, right? Very nice. Yeah, but yes, they're everywhere. Look at these. Look at this. It's a pepper invasion. Invasion. So here we got locoid trees, 1, 2, and 3, and doing pretty good. A little fig tree doing really nicely too. See what the temperature is? 92. A bit actually almost too hot. Peach blooming, starting to bloom. Actually it's blooming better outside than inside. This apple here is not dead, so that's good. At least we have one that's still green. Another peach, another fig tree here, another, which one is that? Mayor, oops, Mayor lemon. And here we have quite a few plums, I believe. Plums, oh, apricot, really nice. Apricot, plum, it's a good mix here. A good mix. I believe this one here is, oh, nice. The bees are out too. I should not disturb. I need to let you do your job. Yeah, that's a grapefruit. My favorite. My favorites. That's an orange here, blooming, doing really nice. Look at that. The two that did not do so good but are not dead. So here we got the kiwi. So it's a vine tree, some vines, and it looked pretty dead, but look, it's restarting. So restarting a bit everywhere. So it's picking back up. And the kiwi can take a bit of cold, so, but yeah, on that one it was really by the plexiglass here and it got cold. So even so, the greenhouse is heated against the glass like this. The tree did not like it too much. Well, the bees love grapefruits, huh? They're just like me. You're right, it's good. So I'm gonna let the bees work. So the second one that did not do that good is the mango. But it's not dead. It is not dead. It's picking back up, but not doing the best. It will come back. See, it's all restarting, but so another little orange. Flowers are coming out. Oh, that one was peppercorn, and I think we can officially say it was. So that's one of the tree I bought from Fast Growing Tree, one of the three with the kiwi and the mango. And that one, poof, it had a rough start, and I think we can probably call it the end here. But yeah, let's look. So that one is lime with flowers. So hopefully limes too. Let me go the other way here. So I think that's another Meyer lemon that's blooming as well. So these ones, they need to be planted, not yet done. So that's grapefruit, my favorite. And here we have some strawberries blooming and actually giving some fruits already. See, look at the strawberries growing, or even over there. They are pretty good. So these ones I got as well from fast growing trees, and they're growing pretty nicely when they're replanted. Oh, we have a red one right there. Look at that little strawberry right there to be picked up. And here, basil. So here's a quick tour of the greenhouse. Early spring when life is restarting, but it never really stopped in the greenhouse. So it's still very green. It kept the banana tree going and all the citruses despite the pretty cold temperatures we had. I'm not sure they would have made it if without the greenhouse here. And here they're doing really good. So we had the wood stove, you can see, with the wood right there. But we also had an additional heater at the end just to help because it was just too much. But here you go, guys. Quick overview of the greenhouse. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching.